Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR 13,000 pounds, 5897 kilograms, mirrors, outside high visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, cruise control, electronic, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, B20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player, license plate front mounting package and a trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.